Hi, this is Thomas Tech, and today we are installing the Torvo TD3 dash cam inside my minivan. This is our front camera. We're getting ready to install it to our windshield, but first we've got to, take all the stuff off. There was not one on there. Okay, and then, so it's pretty simple. We're just gonna peel our adhesive. I said it was pretty simple. Okay, there we go. And you're want to get it lined up so you can, it's directly under your rear view mirror, but you still want to be able to see it. So I think we're gonna go right there, apply some pressure, hold it for a second or two, and then she's good to go. So now what we need to do is get it connected to power. And so what we're gonna do is they sent us a handy dandy USB-C cable that we're gonna connect. The cord for it connects on the passenger side, just like that. And then we'll run her down and she goes into a cigarette lighter. Okay, I think it's this one. And then we will push it in.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got it hooked up to power now, and right here it is showing my front yard. We've got the power button is over here on this left-hand side to turn it on. Power cord goes right here. And then like Thomas mentioned in his unboxing video, it does capture audio, so we can go ahead and use that from those sound bites right there. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to install the rear camera, which is pretty simple, just like the rear or the front facing camera. So we're going to take that protective off the lens, and then we'll again take the protective layer off the adhesive. Oh my gosh, it is really good adhesive. And then it's like 20 minutes later. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right, so now we've got that adhesive layer taken off, so we're going to apply it probably about right here. So that camera will move, so it will follow behind. And then all we have to do is we're going to run this cord and connect it up front to our front camera. So I'm going to tuck it into my panels up here. It's got lots of length on it, so it'll fit any vehicle, I'm fairly positive. Okay. Okay. And then I think instead of running it through the top, I'm gonna go down and kick it through that running board right down there. Because, kids will pull it off. Kick it up here, run it under this. Might be handy to have like a butter knife to shove it in. I actually might have to come back in and hit that with that. Or maybe just clean my car on a regular basis. Okay, we're gonna come up. There we go. Or just pop it. Okay. There we go. Now we're gonna run it in between, and it's going to connect up front. We have threaded our cord all through our lines over there, and now we have to connect our rear camera, which will again connect right under that power cord into the AV in line. So this particular model does not have battery power, so it has to be connected to a cigarette outlet to be working. My car does not stay running when it is turned off. So to get that power started, we're going to turn the car back on and make sure our rear camera is working. Now green light is on, our rear camera, or our front facing camera, is turning on. It is actually our rear view. And now we'll switch to our forward. Oh, look, there is dual camera. So we can see our rear view and we can see the front view at the same time. And then we can switch through. There's the front facing camera, our rear facing, and again, the dual.